Everyone hates the level? I hate this one. It's just really hard. Well, for me anyway. Mainly because of the second star medal, which we will be seeing. Anyway, then get this, and now I have second star medal right there. What I'm trying, there we go. Do that and continue. Be careful now. One mess up will cost you pretty much everything. So, do that. And we'll continue. And we have to really fast. Have to fight Pom-Pom. Once again. Only this isn't any ordinary fight. It's really tough. Tanukis make these fights easy. Anyways, do the one-up trick I told you guys about. And just keep on jumping. Let's see how many lives I'm gonna get. Whoa, that was weird. But who cares, I got another life. So, I could get 170 lives, but I'm not gonna try risk. Anyway, that's the end of Rule 6. See you guys next time.